Hey guys, it's Vertex Fury, and in this video I'm going to be doing a pack opening. Well, it's one pack opening of 100k, the rare one after New Year's Eve. So yeah, I also want to say Happy New Year to everyone who's watching this vid. Thanks. Alright, let's open this. Whew, come on. Yeah, right, no locking. Whew, no locking. Come on, please get something good, please. Ah, please get something good. And I can do this, please. Right. I don't know what else will be up by that. Oh, is it? Wait, no, it's not done yet. Yeah, we're saying I'm just doing this. Say, wait. Who did I get? Oh, I got an info. Oh. Guys, I got Abadeo in form. Adebayo. Oh, yes. I don't care. And I got Xabi Alonso. Yeah, Adebayo. I can't even say his name. Oh, chuffed. Flipping in form. Nice. Whew. Alright, I got... Who else did I get? Oh, Gonzalez. I also got Bazagli. And I got Vorm. Oh, right. Oh man. Haha. Yeah, still all me. Right. Yes. Oh well. Oh man, I can't believe I just got an info. Alright. Guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and if you haven't yet, could you subscribe to our clan channel, Shade Clan, please?